wrong with you?
Finding something weirdness.
Yes. Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, the phone!
Oh my god.
She dropped her phone.
Jumped in the creek. Oh my god, that's like 3 or 4 feet deep.
Look at this. Just look at it. It is insane.
It's overflowing.
Oh, that's hilarious. Poor girl. She was like smiling. Yep, I dropped it. Oh, wow. Oh, I missed it.
Hang on, I got
It's so. Oh, keep going. That's the sidewalk. But still, it was flooded. It was flooded.
It's flooded?
It was flooded. It was.
Why are you?
What? Is that person's?
I don't know what this person's doing.
Oh, no signal lights or anything? Just, I'm gonna stop.
That's kind of crazy.
Alright.
There you go.
Yes, here I go.
What is this flood?
What is this flood?
Look at the flood.
Look at the flood. Flood.
Holy shit.
Holy shnikes. That is a lot of flood.
I feel like jumping in it.
And getting your phone.
Yeah, I'll get my phone out of it.
That is necking futs. Yes. Well then.
Whoa.
It's just sinking in there, eh? It's getting sucked in.
Don't come out here.
Oh my, yeah, you're right. That's a lot of water. It's a lot of H2O. What is it? It's like June 12th today, right? Or 13th or 12th? 12th.
And the farther you get down, the more water.
2020, the year of hell. Yeah. Yeah, look at that.
Is that a cop?
Yeah.
You're washing his car.
Wow. Oh.
Wow, that's a thing.
Oh, okay. I guess. Wow. Okay.
Oh, it's right here.
This is. Oh, what do I do? It's a perfect day for a drive.
Well, I want to go this way to check out the. Oh. Is that flooding?
Oh, we can't go there. We can't go straight. Interesting. Huh. Something's happened. Oh, look at that. Emergency vehicles. I don't know what's going on over there.
Accident, probably.
Yeah.
Or maybe something went kablooey.
I don't know.
Or is it flooded?
Well, that's the question, isn't it? Okay, so that was a hydro line problem. That's what happened. Then we asked the fireman.
Oh, no, whoa.
What?
The creek.
Oh, the crick.
Let's give me a second.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a thing.
It's definitely That's crazy.
Aeronautica, but we would find too many things happening.
Yes. Whoa. All right then. Guess this is the detour route. It's crazy. Yeah, you don't usually see traffic like this on this little road, that's for sure. Oh! Oh my.
It's like,
yeah.
I don't know what to say.
You gonna try it? Nope. The detour is flooded as well.
Crap.
Yeah.
No, we can.
You wanna try it? Now we can go that way.
Oh, look at all the cars over there.
Yeah, we had a lot of rain today.
Just roll down your window for a second. Like this.
Oh, okay. Alright. Oh, I'm getting splashed.
Why
Why did I listen to you? Holy shnikes. I like saying shnikes. I don't know why.
Nikes?
Yes, I don't know. Don't
Those
ask.
are the shoes those people wear. Jeez, calm down.
Road.
Jeez, road.
Like, really?
Shut up, road. Gonna hold you, road.
Whoa. Wrong way. Zooming wrong way. Yeah. That ditch is all flooding.
Bitches love ditches.
I love ditches. Wow. That one's really flooded.
3 or 4 feet deep.
Can't see the culvert.
You said culvert.
Wow. There's a lot of water over there.
What?
Yeah. A little long.
Crap.
Whole yard. Well, I guess we're just gonna get detoured to the left or right. I see.
Where's the power line? Where's the power line? Where's the power line?
I don't know. Fire truck's there. Yeah.
I don't know.
What is this?
I'm local.
What is this? What is this? What is this? What
I
is
don't
this?
know, but I'm local.
I'm local. Fucking gone crazy. Oh, there's not even pavement here. They've been working on the road here apparently. Local to the solar system.
The American Eagle is racist. Because you're a Nazi.
It's flooding. Look at that. They got road there. Like it's all.
Oh, this is the road where we were.
Yeah, years ago. Yeah. This typically floods like crazy.